Ready to move them now, guys. Got it, guys. All done. All done. Guys, my fried sprat. All done. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you some fried sprats. There you go. Already wash and clean up, so sit back, relax as I take you through this process. Okay, so guys, this is a roughly say a pound of sprat. That's 368. Yes, 8 sprat. And I have here some seasoning already mixed up. So sprat is a Jamaican favorite that we eat sometimes, or some people like it. We eat with different foods. So this is my sprat that I am about to fry for you. So first I have some seasoning here: salt, black pepper, Maggi seasoned, and garlic powder. So I'm gonna rub this into my sprat. Slit aside so that the seasoning can marinate easily. Alright. Easily and faster. So there you go. There are different sizes. You have to be careful because bones are very sharp. Have it, guys. All seasoned up. And I put this to marinate for a couple hours before start frying them. Okay, guys. Alright. So for the sprat, I'm not going to use any other seasoning because it's just a quick meal. Well, just fried sprat I'm doing. Alright, guys. Here it is, guys. I'm gonna put it to marinate for about 3 hours and come back and fry them. Alright, guys, so see you soon. I'm back. The pot is heating up, so I'm gonna get started. Pour some oil. Depended on you how much oil you want to use. So yes, this is roughly 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm gonna make this and then start frying my sprat. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, the oil is now ready. So more, guys. Look at it, guys. All done. All done. Look, guys. My fried sprat. All done. Thank you guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. My fried sprats.